Hey, how's it going? This is, let me read the comments. Oh, this is Lizzie and JD. Hey, JD, am I pronouncing your name right? And I really appreciate you writing and Lizzie. I think there's like the only two here at the live. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching the live. I'm gonna have to end it pretty soon. Let me just read your comments here. I do appreciate you, JD. Yes, I was thinking of making videos like for relaxing videos to go to sleep or just to relax, like relaxing sounds with birds and stuff like that. So this is my lovely parakeets. All right, I'm gonna have to cut the live any minute. And I want to thank you all guys just for watching and staying here tuned. And these blue ones are the babies from this yellow one and the dad that's inside the nest feeding the smaller ones.